Horace. Oh. What's going on up here? Natty's cleaning Boris, Natalia. You're happy they are buffed up. Boris, listening boy. Ah! Oh! Moo! Hello? Oh! 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 The Hoserman started to bring down the establishment already. Of things around the establishment that entertains him on a daily basis. Oh, look at Heather, Natalia's best friend. They always hang with each other. Horace is not with me, or with her, she's with her. Look at her, she just runs up to people and buffs up. Oh, she's a big deal, Heather. There's Hathor, because Hathor was married to Horus back in Egyptian mythology, so instead of calling her Hathor, it was a hard name to pronounce. I thought Heather for short. Heavy as a feather. Going out with Horus, the Dozeman, the destroyer, eater of cement, destroyer of plaster. Oh, what's going on up there? Oh, the Spinaruna. Oh. Beth and Flash still doing their exercise up and down. Yes. Oh. The tail wag. Shake your tail feather. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Ah. Oh. Ah. Beth and Flash doing their exercise. Oh. 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 Whoa. Oh. The two girls, the two ladies. Biff and Fleesh. Boris sometimes hangs around with them. Used to play with them all the time. All sit around each other, all chill with each other. The Dozer. Oh, now he's got a coat hanger. Oh. We just found the coat hanger for the first time. It's gonna be like a monkey bars up there for him. There's some pretty coat hangers everywhere. They love to sit in between them, the ringnecks, the cockatiels love them. So does the princess parrots. There's them two Fabio. Vanessa will be right next to you. As I'll get up and get you in the shot. Oh. Oh, he's... Oh. Ah. Oh. Beth and Fleece running up and down still. Fleece. Beth. Yeah. There's Heather. Oh. Ow.